Hey, planning your 2026 China trip? Summer's here to help you pack. What to bring and what not to bring? Let's go! Number 1. Don't bring too many clothes. China has cheap laundry and tons of affordable clothes. One jacket and a few t-shirts are enough. Number 2. Chinese plugs are different from US/EU. Really swells their U. Bring a universal power adapter and a power bank. Number 3. Bring stomach medicine, anti-diarrheals, cold medicine, and Band-Aids. Some Chinese food is very spicy. Number 4. Don't bring too much cash. Just You'll-Pad to WeChat Pay and Alipay. Almost everywhere accepts phone payment. Number 5. Install a good VPN before you arrive. Otherwise, you can't access Google, Instagram, or YouTube. Number 6. Download Google Translate with offline Chinese pack. Pleco Dictionary is also super helpful. Number 7. Bring comfortable walking shoes. Many attractions require a lot of walking. Even summer gets tired. Number 8. Airport security is very strict. Do not bring large liquids, knives, big power banks over 100 wallas, lighters or lighter-tis, which will be confiscated. Number 9. Bring a lightweight rain jacket or foldable umbrella. Rain can come suddenly in many places. Number 10. A smile and patience are the most important. Chinese people are very warm. If you're friendly, they'll help you a lot. That's summer's packing list for your first trip to China in 2026. Travel light, prepare ahead, and you'll have an amazing time.
Hi everyone, I'm Collab14 这个频道的创作者，希望你们看得开心。虽然 Summer 是 AI 小可爱，但我可是真人哦。喜欢的话点个赞和订阅，我们下期继续冒险。你们最想让 Summer 去哪个地方？评论告诉我，谢谢你们，爱你们，下期见。